Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips for everyday challenges. Today, we're diving into the best ways to send money from the USA to Thailand in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for a vacation, or handling business abroad, getting the most bang for your buck is crucial. With rising digital options and updated regulations, let's explore what's topping the charts this year. First off, one of the top contenders is Wise, formerly known as TransferWise. It's super popular for its low fees and real-time exchange rates. In 2025, Wise has improved its app even more, allowing transfers in minutes with competitive rates around 0.5 to 1% plus a small fixed fee. It's perfect for frequent senders because it's secure, easy to use, and you can track your money in real time. Plus, it supports direct bank transfers without the hidden charges that traditional banks sneak in. Another solid option is PayPal, especially if you're dealing with online payments or e-commerce. By 2025, PayPal has enhanced its international features, offering quick transfers with fees around 2 to 4% depending on the amount. It's great for smaller sums, but watch out for the exchange rate markups, they can add up. For larger amounts, you might consider banks like Chase or Wells Fargo, which offer wire transfers, but these often come with higher fees, sometimes $20–50 United States dollars per transaction, and can take 1 to 3 business days. Don't overlook emerging players like cryptocurrency options, such as using stablecoins on platforms like Binance or Revolut. In 2025, with crypto regulations stabilizing, this could be the fastest way, often under an hour, but it's riskier due to market volatility. Always use reputable exchanges to avoid scams. So, what's the best way? For most people, Wise takes the crown because of its transparency and cost-effectiveness. But remember, the ideal choice depends on your needs, like speed, amount, and security. Before you send, double-check current rates and fees, as they can fluctuate. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy out there. See you next time.